Hi you guys, and welcome back to the Crème kitchen. Leaves are falling, temperatures are changing. What does that mean? Fall. We love fall in this house, and I try to always give you a little pumpkin recipe during fall time because everything is pumpkin spice, pumpkin latte, pumpkin hot chocolate. We have that now too. So I thought it would be fun to do pumpkin pie squares. So let's get started. To begin with, a cup of all-purpose flour is going in my bowl. A half a cup of dark brown sugar. You know I love my dark brown sugar. And also a half a cup of the old-fashioned oats. I also have a stick of very cold salted butter. And I'm going to cut this up and put it into that mixture. And then I've got my handy dandy pastry cutter. And I'm going to just get it all into like pea-sized crumbles. This recipe I grew up on. It's an old Czech recipe. I've updated it a little bit for you guys because it asks for all these spices. And for me and most people, it's easier just to get the pumpkin pie spice. Guys, I'll hook you up. I like to make sure that the butter's cold because you want a nice, crisp crust. All that effort paid off. Look. This is exactly what you're wanting to look for. I have a 9x13 pan. I did line it with a little bit of parchment paper here. All I'm gonna do is put this crumble mixture for the crust in the bottom and press it in. I'm gonna use the back end of my measuring cup here and we'll get it kind of pressed evenly as we can. All right, I've got it evenly pressed down and into the corners a little bit. There's a little bit of a ridge there around the edges. I'm gonna set this to the side and I'm gonna combine my pumpkin mixture. To start, I have one 15-ounce can of pumpkin and I have one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Get the vitamin D kind, don't get like the light skim kind. We don't want that. We don't wanna bake with that. And my suggestion to you is to make sure you get your pumpkin, whether it's for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, get it in advance because I have found out if you don't, it sells out. So get it now. I'm gonna put the canned pumpkin in my bowl with the evaporated milk and then 2 room temperature eggs. All right, to this, 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar going in. It's so easy and it's so fun because you just get to dump it all in one bowl. Teaspoon each of pumpkin pie spice, right here, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, we have all the ingredients for the filling in our bowl. Start out slow. I can't get this sweater all splattered with pumpkin pie filling. I have my oven on 350 degrees. Bake your crust in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. Let it come out and cool for just a bit, and then we'll pour the filling on top. And we're probably gonna put it in there for about 20 minutes or so. All right, so for the crumb topping, we're gonna put this on the last like 10 minutes or so that we're baking this. You want 2 tablespoons of salted butter. You want a half a cup dark brown sugar. And then you also want a half a cup of freshly chopped pecans. If you have a nut allergy, just add a little bit of flour to this and you'll have more of a crumb mixture to put on top. Look at how nice and crumbly this is. Our pumpkin pie bars have been in the oven now for 20 minutes. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put our crumbled pecan topping on top of it and we're going to put it back in the oven. Okay, back into the oven we go for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's take these pumpkin pie bars out, see what they look like, see if everything's set, and then we're going to let them cool before we cut into them. Okay, we have let these delectable pumpkin pie bars set and cool. You can put them in your fridge if you want to do it that way. I'm going to try to take it out this way. I don't know if it's going to quite work, but we'll see. Not bad. I love using parchment paper. So amazing. Hold on, let me take a bite. I'm telling you what, as easy as this was and how good this tastes, you probably will never make regular pumpkin pie again. That crumb topping makes it. You need a fall dessert. This is it. Everybody will love it. It's full of pumpkin spice and, I'm gonna say it, everything nice. You guys, please make this. If you do, send me a photo. I can't wait to see it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you in our kitchen.